How to fix Facebook Lite app not opening. So first of all, launch Google Play Store on your mobile devices. Go to the search at the bottom. Go to the search bar on top and search for Facebook Lite. Tap on the app. Over here, instead of the option of open, if you see the option of update, tap on it and make sure that the Facebook Lite app is updated to its latest version. This would fix all the app errors and bug issues. You can also tap on uninstall and then reinstall the application again. Another step to do in order to fix your issue is that launch settings on your devices. Once you come to settings, scroll down below and tap on apps. Search for Facebook Lite. From here, scroll down below and tap on storage. Now at the bottom right corner, go ahead and tap on clear cache and then you will be able to fix your issue. And that's all for today's video. At last, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.